You are rocking and rolling. Look this way, Melissa. We are in Winter Wonderland in Abilene, Texas on Christmas Eve.
I'm building a snowman on the back of my car.
You better hurry up.
Well, I'm not a professional at snowman.
These are definitely blizzard conditions. Look at this. How much snow. That is my hand.
Here's a flat snowman.
There's a flat snowman. Poor Melissa doesn't know how to build a snowman.
I've never gotten to build one my whole life.
Hurry! Quit taking so long!
Look at all this snow! Oh my God!
Aren't you glad you came to Abilene?
Yeah, look!
For you people that are in sunny Florida. Look at all the snow! Get out there, roll one! You idiot! We better get back inside. Go ahead, Melissa. My shoes are going to be wet.
I have to learn how to build a snowman, though.
Oh my gosh.
How do you do it?
You just start rolling.
You used to let it rain.
Yeah, grab a ball. This is Melissa's attempt to build a snowman. You roll it. It gets bigger and bigger. You gotta make a ball first. You can't just be pushing around 3 balls.
I did make a ball. See?
Okay, now pat it together to make a snowball. Is it sticking at all?
No.
It's gotta stick.
It's not sticking.
She's doing it! My God, she's making a snowball. Go, Melissa, go. Is it getting bigger yet? This kid has never learned how to roll a snowball.
I've never had to.
My God, it's blizzard out here. Melissa, you're still pushing around the same size snowball. Okay, this is Melissa signing out. She can't build a snowman. My camera's getting wet.
Okay.
Okay, look up and wave, Melissa, because we're signing out of here. Bye.